This Equitas Realty property video is presented by Lynn LaCour. Open house SAT 6/12 1 to 3 fish, kayak or tube down the Battenkill this summer right in your own backyard. This property features 100 of beautiful Battenkill River frontage, a private 1.23 acres and a home that's like new. Taken down to the studs and completely renovated from 2018 to 2020, you won't believe the use of space. This year-round 1-bedroom, 1.5 bath has a beautiful new kitchen with farmhouse sink and custom cabinetry, new siding, luxury vinyl flooring, tankless on-demand water heater, central air, and more. Use as a camp, or live year-round on this beautiful country lane. This property is a must-see. For more information, review the details below.